Hi everyone, MultiTalk is an open-source, multi-character talking video generation. It's designed to create realistic talking videos from static images using audio or text as input. Unlike many single-face generators, MultiTalk supports multiple characters in a single scene, making it ideal for conversations, group storytelling, or AI-driven character interactions. Whether you're creating AI avatars, educational characters, or dynamic storytelling scenes, MultiTalk brings your still images to life with vivid expression and believable speech motion.
I feel like you heard
And today,
the thing,
we're going to
you heard the
show you
term,
how to use
"Don't
MultiTalk,
cry."
first through the Hugging Face demo, and then with ComfyUI. So without any hesitation, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Let's begin with the Hugging Face demo. Go to the Hugging Face demo page for MultiTalk. You'll see an interface where you can upload a portrait image and an audio clip. First, upload a clear, front-facing image of a person or character you want to animate. Next, upload your audio. You can either choose an audio file from your device, like a short speech or a line of dialogue, or record your voice directly using the built-in microphone option. Once everything's ready, hit the Generate button and wait for the model to process. In a few moments, you'll get a video where your image is brought to life, mouth moving, head nodding, and eyes shifting to match your voice. Let's check out the final result. Creators who want to bring their static images to life. It's free. Now, let's try a multi-character conversation using the demo. First, upload a clear image that contains 2 characters you want to animate. Next, upload your 2 audio clips, each representing the voice of 1 character. If needed, input your prompt into the prompt box to guide the animation or context. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. You'll see both characters come to life and start talking. Let us see the final result.
Hey, did you finish the report for the client meeting?
Almost done.
Now let's move on to using MultiTalk in ComfyUI. Unlike the Hugging Face demo, this version runs locally and gives you more control. We don't need to build a workflow from scratch. Instead, go to the One Video Wrapper MultiTalk GitHub repository and navigate to the example workflows folder. There, you'll find a pre-made workflow named MultiTalk. Import that workflow into ComfyUI. It'll load everything you need to get started. Now that everything is set up, let's start ComfyUI again. You'll see the nodes for uploading an image and an audio file. Begin by uploading the image you want to animate, followed by the corresponding audio, either a recorded voice or a short speech clip. Next, move to the prompt box and enter a short description or scenario for your character. This helps guide the animation style or expression, though it's optional. We'll keep the default settings as they are, and once everything is ready, simply click the Run button. The generation process can take some time. Even if you're using a high-end GPU, creating a 10-second video might still take around 5 minutes, so be patient and let MultiTalk work its magic.
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, "Don't cry." You don't need to cry. Crying is the most beautiful thing you can do.
Now, we're uploading the music from the demo video and running ComfyUI again to see what it can do. You'll notice nodes for uploading both an image and an audio file. Start by uploading the image you want to animate, and then add the music file from our demo. Next, head over to the prompt box. You can enter a short description or scenario for your character. It's optional, but it can help shape the animation style or expression. We'll stick with the default settings, and once everything's set, just hit the Run button. Let's check out the final result.
Body moves to the boom, boom, boom. Heart pounds from across the room. No more secrets, no more lies.
So that's MultiTalk, a powerful and flexible tool for creating realistic talking animations. Whether you're making content with multiple characters, syncing voice to motion, or just experimenting with AI-generated videos, MultiTalk makes it all smooth and surprisingly easy. Give it a try and see what kind of creative results you can achieve.